Welcome to our comprehensive online class on deed fraud, explicitly designed to address the challenges and intricacies of real estate fraud, with a special focus on Arizona. This class aims to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to understand, recognize, and prevent deed fraud effectively. By the end of this course, you will have a thorough understanding of the legal landscape of real estate fraud in Arizona, including practical tips for safeguarding your investments. Definition of deed fraud. Deed fraud in real estate involves the illegal manipulation, forgery, or misuse of property deeds. It constitutes various illegal acts, such as forging signatures on deed documents, altering deed information without consent, and illicitly transferring property ownership. This type of fraud can result in significant financial and emotional distress for unsuspecting property owners. Key aspects of deed fraud. 1. Forging signatures on deed documents. This involves the unauthorized replication of a property owner's signature on deed transfer documents. Forgers often possess a high skill level, making it difficult to distinguish these counterfeit signatures from the real ones. The aim is to pass these documents as legitimate to transfer property ownership or secure mortgages fraudulently. 2. Altering deed information without consent. Alteration of deed information can include changing the owner's name, modifying boundary descriptions, or any other pertinent details that can affect the legality and legitimacy of a property deed. These alterations are typically done without the knowledge or consent of the rightful property owner, leading to unauthorized and often unnoticed changes in property records. 3. Illicitly transferring property ownership. This act involves using forged or altered documents to illegally transfer property ownership from the rightful owner to the fraudster or another third party. The transfer is usually executed under the guise of legitimate transactions, hiding the fraudulent nature of the paperwork and the intentions behind the transaction. Impacts of deed fraud. Financial distress. Victims of deed fraud can face severe financial consequences, including loss of property and substantial monetary damages. The costs associated with legal fees to rectify the situation and recover the property can also be significant. Emotional distress. Beyond the financial impact, the emotional toll on victims is considerable. The sense of violation and the stress of potentially losing one's home or investment can lead to long-term psychological effects. Legal complications. Deed fraud often results in complex legal battles as victims seek to prove their ownership and rectify altered records. These proceedings can be lengthy, challenging, and costly, further exacerbating the victim's difficulties. Deed fraud not only harms individual property owners, but also undermines the integrity of the real estate market. It creates an atmosphere of distrust and can lead to stricter regulations and controls, affecting all stakeholders in the property sector. Awareness and education are critical in combating this type of fraud, ensuring property owners are vigilant and equipped to protect their assets against such deceptive practices. Importance of deed integrity in real estate transactions. In the realm of real estate, the integrity of property deeds holds immense importance. A property deed is a legal document that signifies the ownership of real estate. Ensuring the legitimacy and legality of these deeds is crucial for the smooth functioning of real estate transactions and the stability of the market as a whole. Central role of deed integrity. 1. Legality and legitimacy of ownership. Transfers o deeds must accurately reflect true ownership to maintain legal standards in property transactions. Each deed contains vital details such as the owner's name, property boundaries, and terms of ownership which must be correctly represented and recorded. Any manipulation or error undermines the legal transfer of ownership, potentially invalidating it. 2. Protection of property owners' rights. The integrity of deeds protects property owners by ensuring that their rights are not infringed upon through fraud or error. This includes safeguarding the owner's financial investment and the legal rights associated with property ownership, such as the ability to sell or bequeath property. 3. Preservation of trust in the real estate system. Trust in the accuracy and reliability of property records is essential for the functioning of the entire real estate market. Stakeholders, including buyers, sellers, real estate professionals, and financial institutions, rely on the integrity of deeds to ensure that transactions are valid and enforceable. Consequences of compromised deed integrity. Complex legal disputes. When the integrity of a deed is questioned, it often leads to legal disputes. These can range from challenges of ownership, boundary disputes, and conflicts over property rights. Such disputes are not only costly and time-consuming, but can also have broader implications for market stability. Loss of property. In severe cases, compromised deed integrity can lead to the loss of property. If a deed is found to be fraudulent or significantly erroneous, the rightful owner may be stripped of their ownership, sometimes without compensation. Market instability. Frequent occurrences of deed fraud or disputes over deed integrity can lead to a lack of confidence in the real estate market. This destabilizes the market, affects property values, and can deter investment and development. Maintaining the integrity of property deeds is therefore not just about protecting individual property owners, but is also crucial for the health and stability of the broader real estate market. Real estate professionals, legal experts, and regulatory bodies must work collaboratively to enforce strict standards and practices that ensure deed accuracy and legitimacy. This collective vigilance helps to maintain public trust and confidence in real estate transactions, promoting a stable and reliable market environment.